Oh, do you have to?
Okay, let's see here. I think that I'm recording. Let me make sure that I'm recording here before we go with this. All right, yes, we're recording. Okay, how you doing today, Sharon? This is a brief demonstration on how to do a keyword construction as well as a blast inside of the platform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go briefly through this because I don't want this to be very long and drawn out. Get right to the point here. Um, First of all, you go into, in order to construct the keyword, you go into campaigns, click on keyword, and once you click on keyword, of course, you're going to be carried over to this, keyword screen. And in order to create a keyword, you go to create, and you would name like whatever the actual campaign is. The campaign name is here. So let's say the campaign name is uh, point of sale point of sale campaign. Okay, now you will construct the keyword. The keyword may be, let's say this for the sake of demonstration, it may be check in. Now, of course, if it's not available, if the keyword is not available, then it'll come up in the short code that basically that keyword is in use. So we'll say um, we'll just say Dr. Uh, Nancy check in. Just for check in. Okay. And once you do that, basically, when it comes up available, you know you got it. And then, of course, you put in the uh, the uh, the reply message that the individual will get back. So always identify yourself in the heading of the message. Uh, Dr. Nancy, um, come one, come all, uh, today only, uh, foot detox, uh, half off. Half off. Show this uh, we'll call it a coupon here because you can also do text coupons through text message itself. Show this coupon uh, to receptionist to redeem offer. Then you want to put the coupon code, maybe foot foot detox number uh, M01 or something like that. Okay. Now, and if you want to have like a place where they can go, like let's say you want to have somewhere where they can go to learn about foot detoxes, okay, you can always basically go somewhere, copy and paste the actual URL of a web page, and then go and click on short URL, pump that into the bit.ly shortener, paste it, shorten it, boom, and you can see it pops up right there in shortened form. Okay. Now, if you run out of message space and you want to make a second message, then you always, or if you know from the beginning you're going to want to do two messages, or you find out that you're going to need space for two messages, basically you always let them know that by putting one or two, so that when that first one come across, they know to expect the second one. And it has a coherency to it. It won't be like, okay, where's this coming from and what's this all about. You can also choose a file, like if, let's say if you want to have a file to be connected to that, you can choose a file. Uh, let's choose that one there, and we have that file captured. Show advanced features. Show advanced features is basically allowing for you to be able to, set extra options to the actual campaign. Uh, the ones here you don't have to worry about double opt-in because of the simple fact that a double opt-in is pretty much for like alcohol, tobacco, and things of that nature. So they have to double opt-in in order to confirm their age. So what you can do then is you can do not, if you don't want to allow repeat hits, you can put do not allow repeat hits on that, and sorry, you have already redeemed this offer. Watch offer. Watch for future offers or promotions. Okay. Now, but in that reply message, you can also give them something, another short call to another, to the mobile website or wherever it is that you want to send them. Here's another capacity you have. You have the ability to also enable lead notifications. So let's say you want that whenever someone texts into that, you want it to go to your email address, or you want it to go to your mobile phone number to know that you got an affiliation. You can also capture email. Let's say you may capture the email by having them when they respond to something. Say respond with your email. We'll cover that a little later. And you have all these other features down here, such as enable comments reply, enable comment reply with the suffix, um, help, which will be whatever your actual keyword, the name of your campaign is. They will text that in, help, and then that keyword in order to get additional information on that. And then of course you will go down and save, and then also save and schedule when you want to launch it. But to save it in the system, you would just basically save it, and you can see pretty much right here that campaign, that keyword is saved, and you can then go in and edit it if you like. Okay. Okay, you can edit it if you like, and you see basically it shows up over here in that previewer, so you can get an idea of what the actual message is going to look like on the other end for the end user. And let's see here, where we at right there. Where's that keyword? Okay, Dr. Nancy check-in. And then you have scheduling, where you can schedule it for however you want that particular keyword campaign to run. This is where you start the date at. You can start it. You can have the ability to set it, as far, basically to start at a particular time. Let's say if you want it, today is February, but you want this to start in March, and you don't want to think anything else about it, you'll set it for that, for March 13th at 12:05 at 12:05 a.m. Eastern Time. Boom, ongoing. Click launch, and when you click, did I click launch? I think I actually launched it. Well, we're going to unlaunch it, but you will launch it, and that campaign will be good to go. This is the video basically on how to create a keyword campaign for your mobile marketing.